Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a TV jingle. How to make, you already read the title, you know what we're doing. We're gonna make a shower. Yeah, this shower. I made the video a while ago, but then it failed because I accidentally pressed the don't record audio. So, by the way, I want you to meet Angel, my wife, for them. Like, okay. Now, I'm too lazy to open and walk to the door, so this is what we're gonna do, a shower. So we'll just go ahead and make an exact replica of this. Two people. Look at this magic. Not magic. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, no, we should remove one block. Okay, so first thing you're gonna need is a command block. Now, put it under there. Make sure it's on repeat, and then put your command. So yeah, just follow my lead. Set block the wavy line number 4, wavy line, and water, and then 0, and then 0 destroy. If you put 1 destroy, it will destroy 1 block, so yeah, that's fine. And that's all you have to do. And then all you have to do is put a quartz block and then boom, you're done. See, it's so simple. And then all you have to do is block this part, so it won't go out to the other side. So yeah, I made an exact replica of a while ago. I want to show you a creepy glitch now. Let me find a hole. Oh, there's a perfect hole. Oh, dude, I need another hole. Just pop that with snow. First, you need to make a snow golem and get shears. Look at that dirty face. Look at that dirty face. It still smiles when it gets killed. That's just so awkward. Okay, so yeah, I want to have an ending food. Yum yum yum. I'm starving. Now where are you? Food. Where is the fridge? Yoink. Ooh, yes, I got a cake. I have a new update so I can finally eat in creative. I can eat anytime I want. I'm gonna put all of these back. This is delicious. Okay, so yeah, bye guys. See you in my next video. Yeah. By the way, subscribe to Francine DeGammon. She's my classmate. She also has she grew. She also has a channel, and she's the one who requested me to make this video. And by the way, thank you already for 20 subscribers. So yeah, I want to keep this video short so I can be able to post it early. So yeah, bye guys. See you in my next video. It's probably gonna take so long again. Well, bye.